Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into the world of cryptocurrency, you know how important it is to handle your assets securely. Today, we're tackling how to transfer XRP from Ledger in 2025. With the latest updates to Ledger Live and blockchain tech, this process is smoother than ever. Whether you're sending XRP to another wallet or exchanging it, I'll walk you through it step by step. Let's jump right in. First things first, make sure your Ledger device is fully set up and updated. Head over to the official Ledger website, download the newest version of Ledger Live, and connect your device via USB. This ensures you're working with the most secure and current software, super important in the fast-evolving crypto space of 2025. Next, install the XRP app on your Ledger. Open Ledger Live, go to the Manager tab, search for XRP, and hit Install. Once that's done, open the XRP app on your physical Ledger device to authorize it. This step is key because it lets your Ledger interact safely with the XRP ledger. Now, with your device connected, select your XRP account in Ledger Live. You'll see your current balance right there. Take a moment to double-check it. To start the transfer, click on the Send button. Enter the recipient's XRP address carefully. You can paste it from your notes or a secure source to avoid any typos. After that, input the amount you want to send, including any network fees. In 2025, XRP transactions are lightning fast and low cost, but always factor in a small fee for smooth processing. Review all the details on your Ledger screen, it's designed to prevent errors. Hit Confirm on your device, and voila! Your XRP will be transferred almost instantly. Keep an eye on your transaction status in Ledger Live or on the XRP Explorer to make sure it goes through. Before we wrap up, a quick reminder. Always use official apps and double-check addresses to stay safe from scams. If you're new to this, practice with a small amount first. Thanks for watching, and if this helped, smash that like button and subscribe for more crypto guides. See you in the next one.